thing first, that I am in my grandma's house. And there is so much greenery. I love it. So, as you can see, there's so much greenery. And let's start with planting this beautiful Christmas tree. So,
now I put the soil in the pot.
I will bring something. And put this in this. I love planting plants. Do you love? Of course, it's so much fun and enjoying and a hard work. Planting this plant, my favorite flower rose. Look at that. And this time mom is doing that. As I told, I love planting and I just learned it from my mom. So yeah, mom also loves planting. Yeah, mom?
Yes. You can shoot these plants also.
Oh yeah, these are grown. These are grown. And look at this, these plants. These are grown too. This is now much bigger, as you can see. Look at that beautiful rose. As if mom just shoot. I am shooting. And I need to tell you, my favorite plant from these plants is this and that. Because that's funny and that's so colorful. You know, yellow and green. So, here we go. I'm showing you my favorite flower, rose. This looks so good. Mom does this so very nice. As you can see, this is still not opened. So, we have planted it, not much. It's not yet done. So, what do you want to say about that, Mom? Oh, not yet. Oh, she's getting the mud and soil from there. From there. Whoa.
Let's see half now.
Of course, let me touch that.
Don't touch it with that.
Oh wow. And now I would just say it's so beautiful, and I would say to mom that it's so means yeah,
Plants is always good for
nature. Oh whoa, water fell. Look at that beautiful flower. Bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.